In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create calendars in Canva step by step. If you've ever tried building a calendar from scratch, you already know how easy it is to get stuck adjusting spacing, aligning rows, and trying to make everything look clean and printable. The good news is that Canva makes this process much easier, especially when you set things up properly from the beginning. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to create a polished, print-ready calendar layout without making it feel complicated. To get started, open Canva and head to the homepage. One of the biggest mistakes people make is choosing a standard digital canvas size before thinking about print dimensions. Since calendars are usually meant to be printed, it's important to define the physical size first. Click Create a Design, then choose Custom Size. Change the measurement unit from pixels to inches and enter your preferred dimensions. For example, you can use 11 inches wide by 8.5 inches high for a landscape style wall calendar. Then click Create New Design to open your blank canvas. Once your project is open, the next thing you want to do is set up your visual safety boundaries. This helps make sure that important details like dates and text don't get cut off during printing or end up too close to the binding area. Go to the File menu at the top, open View Settings, and turn on Show Rulers and Guides as well as Show Margins. You'll now see a clear boundary around the page, which gives you a safe working area for your layout. Now it's time to build the actual calendar grid. On the left sidebar, click Elements. Instead of drawing boxes manually, use the Tables section and search for something like Calendar Grid, or choose a standard 7x5 table layout. Drag that onto your page and position it neatly inside the margins. From the toolbar, adjust the line weight to something subtle, such as 1 or 2, and choose a soft, neutral color if you want a cleaner look. Then add the days of the week across the top, starting with Sunday and ending with Saturday. After your first month is designed and formatted the way you want, you can quickly turn it into a full yearly calendar. Click the grid view icon near the bottom of the workspace to see all pages at once. Select your finished page and use the duplicate option or the keyboard shortcut to create enough copies for all 12 months. Then go into each page and update the month name and the date numbers. Before exporting, review every page carefully. Make sure the dates are correct, the text sizes are consistent, and nothing crosses the margins. When everything looks good, click Share, then Download, and choose PDF Print as the file type. If available, enable crop marks and bleed for better print accuracy, then download your final file, and that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you.